Hi guys, myself Sadashiv Amar. I am currently been studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Department of CSEI. Understanding harmony in nature. Understanding harmony in nature is an appreciation of the delicate equilibrium that exists in natural world. It is the recognition of how various elements from diverse ecosystems to intricate cycles coexistence and interact to sustain life on the earth. At its core, harmony in nature is characterized by the independence of all living organisms, where each species plays a vital role in functioning of ecosystems. This interconnectedness is essential for maintaining biodiversity and ecological sustainability. Natural cycles such as water, carbon cycles further underscore the rhythmic harmony of the plants. Sustainability of crucial components of harmony in nature. Empathizing the needs of align human activities with the regenerative capacity of the earth. Conservation efforts aim to protect ecosystem and endangered species, ensuring that delicate balance remains intact. Ethical and cultural perspective contribute to our understanding of harmony in nature, highlighting the significance of respecting and valuing the environment. Significance research provides an insights into a interact working of natural world, guiding efforts to preserve its harmony. In an era of climate cha- change and global changes, grasping the concept of harmony in nature is more important than ever. It underscores the necessity of responsibilities, education, and the technologies involvement to maintain harmonious relationship between humanity and plant. Harmony in nature. All orders have definite conduct except human order without right understanding. The human being, the body has definite conduct, the self operating on assuming without knowing is the resources of indefiniteness problems. The solution is to ensure knowing the natural acceptance is to know to be in harmony. For this, human education sanskar is required. To maintain the harmony in nature, human need to educate and sanskar is required. We can see the stages human order, animal order, bio order, and physical orders. Here are the main headings for the concepts to be discussed on understanding harmony in nature. Ecosystem and biodiversity, natural cycle, sustainability, conservation, resilience, ethical and cultural perspectives, scientific understanding, human nature interactions, aesthetic appreciation and art, climate change and global changes, education and advocacy, technology solutions, ecosystem and biodiversity. The role of biodiversity in maintaining ecological balance, the interconnectedness of species within ecosystems, keystone species are and their impact on ecosystem sustainability, human activities and their effects on biodiversity, natural cycles, the water cycle, carbon cycle, and nutrient cycles, seasonal changes and their influence on flora and fauna, the importance of maintaining natural cycles for ecosystem health, sustainability. A sustainable practices in agriculture, forestry, and fisheries. Sustainable development and its impact on natural resources. The concept of reducing, reuse, recycle in minimizing environment harm. Conservation. Strategies for conservation, endangered species, and protecting habitats. The role of protected areas, national parks and reservoirs in preserving biodiversity. Conservation ethics and interacts values of nature. Resilience. How the ecosystem recover from disturbance. Example, forest fires. The importance of preserving ecosystem resilience of long-term sustainability. Ethical, ethical and cultural perspectives. Um, Indigenous perspectives are on nature and their harmonious relationship with it. Ethical considerations regarding the right of non-human entities, example animals and ecosystems. The role of religion and spirituality in shaping attitudes towards nature. Scientific understanding. The contributions of ecology, biology, and other sciences in understanding nature. Research on ecological relationship, topology, cascades, and ecosystem dynamics. Scientific methods for monitoring and assessing environment health. Human nature interactions. The impact of urbanization and industrialization on natural environments. Sustainable urban planning and green infrastructures. Ecotourism has a means of uh, promoting harmony between humans and the nature. Aesthetic appreciation and arts. The role of art and literature in fostering a sense of connection with nature. In nature's influence on artistic movements and creativity. Photography and natural documentaries as a tool of raising awareness. Climate change and global changes. The relationship between climate changes and disruption in natural systems. International efforts to address climate changes and protect natural habitats. The importance of mitigation climate changes in maintaining harmony in nature. Education and advocacy. The role of environment education in foresting awareness and responsibilities. Grassroots movements and environment activisms, engaging in citizen science and community-based conservation efforts. Technological solutions, sensors and data analytics for environment monitoring, green technologies for sustainable living, uh, geographical information systems for spectrum analysis, drone for habit assessments, biotechnology for biodiversity conservation. Thank you.